Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to a very special episode of the Canning Nana. So, tomorrow is Pumpkin Palooza, and everything with the hashtag Pumpkin Palooza is part of a big collaboration with Mary Ellen over at Prepper Potpourri. So, I want to invite each and every one of you guys who feel like making a recipe. With using pumpkin, any kind of pumpkin that you want. You can see that I'm going to be doing pumpkin pie mix with mine. You can also use regular pumpkin in a can. You can use fresh pumpkin. I am going to be making pumpkin cheesecake swirl bread with mine, but mine is going to come out a little bit late. It's going to be coming out late tomorrow night, early Wednesday morning, because I have something super special coming up tomorrow, and I will share that with you guys as I can. But I will be gone for about 10 hours tomorrow, and don't want to get my husband to make this because he can't stand very long with his back. So I'm going to be making this tomorrow night when I get home. Hopefully it will be up and ready late tomorrow night. I hope I'm not too tired after what I'm doing. I don't think I will be. It's a lot of fun. It's something I haven't done in a long time, and I'm really excited. So I will take you guys along as I can. Like I said, I'll take some little snippets here and there tomorrow and take you along. Something I've never shared on this channel. Not many people know that I even used to do this, and haven't done it for a while, but hopefully I'll be able to take you on a little journey with me tomorrow, and I will put that up as well tomorrow night or Wednesday morning, depending on how late I get in. So no, it's not an amusement park, it's not singing, it's something more special that I used to do. So one of my other talents that most of you guys don't know about, because I really don't share that here. So watch for my pumpkin cheesecake swirl bread coming very soon. And if any of you guys want to be a part of this huge collaboration, I am one of the hosts, and you can hashtag, if you want to put your own video up, just hashtag Pumpkin Palooza. You can hashtag my channel as well, and I will put you in my playlist, and Mary Ellen at Prepper Potpourri will put you in hers. We're going to have a big community-wide collaboration using pumpkin. So like I said, you can use canned pumpkin, it can be pumpkin pie mix, it could be regular canned pumpkin, it could be fresh pumpkin, whatever you want. We join you to be a part of our collaboration. We're opening this up, and it's a fantastic idea. I know a lot of you guys have asked me if you could be part of collaborations when I do them, and I have not set one up since earlier this year. I have been running myself crazy, you guys. I've got so many things in the fire right now. And tomorrow is just another really fun one that I hope to do more of. I really miss it. So I hope to have a lot of fun. And like I said, take you guys along on the journey. If any of you guys can guess what it is I'll be doing, I don't think anybody will, but if you can guess, you're going to win a prize. So if you want to put that in the comment section below, what do you think I'll be doing tomorrow? And we'll see who gets it right. Let's see how well you guys know me. I know I've mentioned it before, but probably not for a few years. So yeah, we'll see. But I would love to have you guys join us on this collaboration. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I do have a collaboration planned coming up soon where I am going to invite you guys again to do something with me, and it's coming up in November. So stay tuned, and stay tuned for my video. I'm sorry it's going to be late, but this really can't be helped, and this is a little bit more important than putting up a video. I know that I've kind of neglected my channel the last few weeks, and I'm really sorry. With my husband home and doing kind of running around doing odd jobs and just trying to make an income for us has been keeping me really busy. So I am glad you guys are all still here. Please share my channel. That really and like the videos. That really gets YouTube's algorithm going. I had a Disneyland video go viral about the Pirates of the Caribbean. If you guys want to go back and watch that, make it go viral again, I would really appreciate it. That'd be a huge help. Go back and watch my older videos. That's a huge help too. Become a channel member and get some perks like Italian seasoning that has already gone out, but will go out to all new members as well. So hope you guys will join me for tomorrow. I cannot wait to make this. Hoping this is enough for one loaf of bread, but I think I'm gonna make two. So because this is so good, you guys. So many fun things coming up. Just stay tuned and stay with me and be patient, you guys. I do care a lot about my channel, and I care about all of you guys. So stay with me, and be safe, be good to each other, and God bless you all. I will see you soon. And don't forget, guess. That's the word of the day. Guess what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. So let's see who gets it right. You'll win a really good prize. So I will see you soon.